WWE looks like a world of fame, championships, money, and massive crowds. But behind the bright lights, some wrestlers have faced very difficult personal battles. Today, we are looking at the addiction struggles that famous WWE stars have publicly discussed. These stories show that even the biggest superstars can face challenges outside the ring. Shawn Michaels, drug and alcohol addiction. Shawn Michaels has openly discussed his past struggles with substance abuse. During the difficult period of his career, his personal problems affected both his life and wrestling career. Impact, career problems, health issue, and serious back injury. Comeback, became sober, returned to WWE in 2002 and rebuilt his career. Scott Hall, alcohol and drug addiction. Scott Hall, also known as Razor Ramon, was one of the most recognizable stars of the 90s. Behind his successful career, Hall struggled with alcohol addiction. His story became an example of how addiction can affect someone even after achieving tremendous fame. Impact, rehab, arrests, and serious personal and health problems affected his career. Comeback, rehabilitation, and later received WWE Hall of Fame recognition. Paige, alcohol and substance struggles. Paige, known as Saraya, has publicly discussed difficult periods in her life involving alcohol and substance use. She has also spoken about working to overcome those problems and rebuild her life. Impact, wrestling career was interrupted and she faced intense public scrutiny. Comeback, recovery, family support, and eventually returned to wrestling as Rhea in AEW. Ric Flair, alcoholism. Ric Flair is one of professional wrestling's biggest legends. Throughout his career, his partying lifestyle became part of his public image. Flair has spoken about his relationship with alcohol and consequences that came with his lifestyle, particularly during difficult period of his life. Impact, a 2017 medical crisis brought him close to death. He underwent major surgery. Comeback, survived the crisis, stopped drinking, and continued his public career. Jeff Hardy, alcohol and drug addiction. Jeff Hardy has publicly discussed his struggle with substances abuse and the effect they had on his career and personal life. Despite facing serious setbacks, Hardy has continued working toward recovery and has spoken about the importance of making better choices. Impact, addiction contributed to legal and career problems and interrupted his wrestling career. Comeback, entered rehabilitation, worked towards sobriety, and spoke openly about recovery. Matt Hardy, medication. Matt Hardy has openly discussed difficult periods involving alcohol and substance use. His journey through personal struggle and recovery has been part of his story outside the ring. Impact, years of injuries, demanding matches, and constant travel affect his well-being. Comeback, addressed his problems, became healthier, and continued his wrestling career. Stone Cold Steve Austin, neck injury and alcohol. Steve Austin has also spoken publicly about periods of heavy drinking during his life. Although his situation is different from some of the other wrestlers, his experiences show how alcohol can become a serious issue even for people living extremely successful lives. Impact, the injury affected his career and caused long-term physical problems. Comeback, returned quickly and became one of WWE's biggest stars. Ronda Rousey, alcohol and mental struggles. Ronda Rousey has discussed period of drinking and emotional difficulties, particularly following major setbacks in her combat sports career. Her experiences show that even elite athletes can struggle with their mental and personal lives. Impact, pressure affected her confidence and approach to competition. Comeback, returned to competition with a different mindset, focusing on enjoyment. Jack the Snake Roberts, alcohol and drug addiction. Jack Roberts became famous for his dark character and incredible storytelling ability. However, outside the ring, he struggled with alcohol and drug addiction for many years. With support and rehabilitation, Roberts worked toward recovery and eventually returned to the wrestling world. Impact, his health, career, and relationships were seriously affected, including repeated replays. Comeback, rebuilt his health and life, later entered the WWE Hall of Fame. Kurt Angle, painkillers and addiction. Kurt Angle has publicly discussed his addiction as a professional athlete. Injuries and physical pain were a major part of his life. His addiction eventually became severe, but Angle quickly recovered this. Impact, Addiction became severe and contributed to legal and career problems. Comeback. Completed rehabilitation and became clean and sober. William Regal. Medication and substance addiction. William Regal was another wrestler who faced serious substance abuse problem during his career. His struggles affected his wrestling career, but he eventually turned things around and became highly respected as a performer, trainer, and wrestling mind. Impact. Health and substance issue interrupted his WWE career. Comeback. Rebuilt his career and became respected as wrestler, coach, and executive. Sunny. Substance abuse and alcohol. Tammy Lan, better known as Sunny, was one of WWE's earliest female stars. She publicly faced serious substance abuse problems over the years, which had a major impact on her personal life and career. Impact. Her post-WWE life was heavily affected by repeated legal trouble and substance-related issues. Comeback. No conventional wrestling comeback. Better presented as a cautionary story. Lita. Neck injury and alcohol-related incident. Lita has spoken about her experiences with alcohol and the pressure that came with her wrestling career. Her story is a reminder that life outside the ring can be very difficult. From the confident character. Impact. Neck injury and alcohol caused a 17-month absence, while public criticism also took a toll. Comeback. Returned to wrestling years later, including WWE appearances and championships competition. Tori Wilson. Body image and extreme fitness. Tori Wilson has spoken about the intense pressure surrounding appearance and fitness in professional wrestling. While this is not an addiction in the traditional sense, her experiences highlights another type of struggle that can develop behind the scene. Impact. Health and physical demands of wrestling created major challenges. Comeback. Fitness helped her move toward a healthier lifestyle, and she later became a WWE Hall of Famer. Sheamus. Alcohol and spinal issue. Sheamus has spoken about periods of heavy partying and demanding lifestyle surrounding professional wrestling. His experiences show how the wrestling lifestyle can involve pressure away from the ring. Impact. Injuries forced lengthy periods away from competition and rehabilitation. Comeback. Worked through intensive rehabilitation and returned to WWE competition. Mickie James. Body and lifestyle pressure. Mickie James has spoken about the pressure of maintaining her appearance and fitness while working in professional wrestling. This can be presented as a lifestyle and body image struggle rather than calling it an addiction. Impact. Waste of time and career. Comeback. Return to face the competition with a different mindset. These stories remind us the professional wrestlers are human beings behind the characters we see on television. Championships, fame, and millions of fans cannot always protect someone from personal struggles, but perhaps the most important part of these stories is the comeback. Some of these wrestlers faced addiction, rebuilt their lives, and returned stronger than before. Which WWE wrestlers' recovery story surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more WWE stories.